What's up guys, it's your girl the Daily Ms, aka Anam. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So today I'm going to show you how you can get thicker, longer, more volumized lashes without putting any fake lashes on your eyes. So this is for all my ladies who don't really like to wear fake lashes, but they do want to get that nice dramatic look that you can get from them. I love wearing fake lashes, but sometimes, you just want to go natural. But I do have very small lashes, and sometimes I do feel self-conscious because I just feel like I'm not getting like that bling look. I can't do it. My lashes are so small and they're so freaking straight. So because of that reason, I kind of did research for a few years trying to figure out tricks and methods that could really help me because I have such small straight lashes. And I have found two amazing strategies that I like to use when I don't want to wear fake lashes, and they make my lashes look really volumized. They make them look very thick. So if you are someone who doesn't really like to wear fake lashes and you want that nice dramatic look that you can get without actually wearing them, then this is the video for you. Okay, so first things first, I'm just gonna go ahead and curl my lashes. I don't really have a method to this. I just kind of give it like a few pumps. Then I hold it, curl for a bit, and then I release. First product that we're going to use is called a lash primer. So the purpose of a lash primer is to give an extra boost of volume to your lashes, and it's going to make them look thicker and longer without actually needing to put on any fake lashes. A lot of beauty brands carry them, and sometimes they correlate with the mascaras that they have, but I found that you don't really need to do that. You can just buy one good one and use it with any mascara that you like. The lash primer that I'm going to use for this video is by Essence Makeup. It's their Volume Booster Lash Primer. It comes in a bottle like this. It's very similar to what mascaras look like, and when you open it, the consistency is just white. This is by far my favorite lash primer. It's so inexpensive. It's a drugstore primer, and this one specifically is infused with acai oils and mango butter, so it actually nourishes your lashes as well. So what I'm gonna do is open this up, take it out, and I'm just gonna put this on my lashes as if I'm going to be putting mascara on. So you can see that it's making my lashes white. That's totally fine because we're going to put mascara on top of this. I'm going to start putting them on my lower lashes. This is a little bit wet, which is totally fine. That is normal. You don't want to wait for it to completely dry up before you put your mascara on. So as soon as you put your lash primer on, go ahead and put your mascara on top of it. The mascara I'm going to be using today is by Benefit. It's the Bad Gal Bang, and I'm just going to go ahead and put this on top of the lash primer. So now here you go. You can see that I have put the mascara on top of the lash primer, and you noticed how the lash primer was white and the mascara just completely covered it. So this is what your lashes look like after you put mascara on. I just put on one coat of mascara, but if you like to put 2 coats on, 3 coats on, that is totally up to you. You can go ahead and do that, but this is how it looks with 1 coat. The second method is to use baby powder. Now this is actually like a beauty myth that people don't really know if it would work or not, but the purpose of baby powder is to make your lashes look thicker and more volumized without the use of fake lashes again. Basically how it works is that the powder would stick to your lashes, And then when you would put on a second coat of mascara, that layer would go on top of it, creating that fuller volumized look. I don't have baby powder, but if you have a baking powder or any kind of translucent powder, you can go ahead and use that for this look instead. So that is what I'm gonna be doing. I have some baking powder with me. This is the Banana Powder by Makeup Revolution London. And how we're gonna do this is that first we're gonna go ahead and put some mascara on our eyes. That's gonna be the first coat. And then after that, we're gonna go ahead and put some baby powder on. I'll show you how to do that. Well, in this case, baking powder. And then we're gonna wait just a few minutes to just let it dry. And we're gonna first put on one coat of our mascara. I'm gonna use the same one, the Benefit Bag Bang Mascara. And let's just go ahead and do that. I'm gonna coat this for my top lashes and my bottom lashes. Oh wait, oops, I totally forgot to curl. Wait, first, before I put mascara on, I'm gonna go ahead and curl this lash. I totally forgot to do that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and curl, same thing as my other eye. I'm gonna go ahead and just put one coat on my eyes. Just got some mascara on. I'm just gonna wait like a few seconds to let it dry a little bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start putting in my baking powder. So for this part, I use Q-tips. I have some right in here. If you don't have Q-tips, you can go ahead and use one of your makeup brushes. That's totally fine as well, whatever works for you. But I'm just gonna take one Q-tip, one out just like this. So I have my baking powder, and I'm just gonna open it. I'm just gonna take a little bit and put it in here. So I got some in here. I don't know if you can see that. And then I'm just gonna take my Q-tip and I'm gonna go ahead and just dip it in here. Just wanna start scooping some of this product out. And we're gonna start with our top lashes. I'll try to get closer to the camera if I can't show you. So we're just gonna literally try to cover our lashes with this product, and it's okay, it's gonna like fall out, it's gonna go everywhere, it's a loose powder. That's totally fine. And it's okay if you've already done your makeup. Like I said, it's powder, you just have to wipe it away. So my method is I like to start from the bottom side. And then I'm just gonna put a little bit on the top side too. I got some on my eyeshadow. So I'm pretty sure I got it on my top lashes, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put some on my lower lash line too. Okay, so now that it kind of dried up a little bit and it attached itself to my lashes, I'm gonna go ahead and put the second coat of mascara on. So here is the final look. So we went ahead with our first coat of mascara, then we put some baby powder on. Why do I keep saying baby powder? We put some baking powder on, and then we put our second coat of mascara, and this is how it looks. So this was the eye where we just used lash primer. This was the eye where we used some baking powder. So I definitely have to say that my lashes look very volumized, they look thicker, they look fuller, and I think this side where I use the baking powder, this actually looks a bit more thicker and fuller than just using the lash primer. This side is a bit more dramatic than the lash primer side. However, this did take a bit longer to do because we needed to use 2 coats of mascara, and on top of that, wait for the powder to kind of set in our eyes, and you had to go ahead and clean up if you know, get a little bit messy. Whereas this was very easy. You just put the lash primer on and then you go ahead and put your mascara on. But I think both of them look really pretty. You guys can totally see they look very nice. If you are someone who doesn't want to wear fake lashes but you want something that kind of gives you the same effect, you can use either way, whatever works for you. If this video was helpful for you in any way, please give it a big thumbs up. If you guys have any suggestions of what you would like to see on my channel, please make sure you comment down below, and I will see you on the next video. Bye!